Everybody, won't you clap your hands? White folks, do it on time if you can. Sounds good, now here's the plan. Let's all sing together like we in the same band. I'm the bomb and about to blow up. I'm the bomb and about to blow up. I'm the bomb and about to blow up. I'm the bomb and okay, now we gonna reach another whole new level. Grabbing the light, on the run from the devil. Been downtown for too long. I feel the sun rising all up in my bones. I'm the bomb and about to blow up. I'm the bomb and I'm about to blow up. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Everybody sing it now. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Everybody sing it now. Whoa, everybody sing it now. Whoa, everybody sing it now.
Hey Biddy, happy birthday, and I wanted to say I love you so much. You have been there through a lot. I can always count on you. You have just changed so much over the years and just blossomed into this woman after God's heart and with a passion and love for people, and I really admire that. And I really just appreciate you just being there. I know I can call you and just talk to you and you'll keep me company or tell me some stories or make me feel good by laughing at my corny jokes or something like that. But yes, I really do appreciate you as a person and your friendship that you offer me. I don't know what I would do without you. This past year, I believe our relationship has grown a lot closer, and I'm very thankful for that. You encourage me to keep doing what I love by like commenting on my like YouTube videos and stuff and laughing at my jokes and stuff like that, and I really appreciate it. Oh gee, there's a dog. Oh my goodness, I'm being jumped on by a Dalmatian. Oh my goodness, you see that? Oh my goodness, hey. I don't know where you came from, but I think you got lost. Oh my gosh, this dog right here, he just jumped on me. There he is. Hi, he just jumped on me. Hi. Goodbye. Bye. Oh my goodness, a dog just jumped on me. Okay, so I love you and I will see you soon.